there, future web developers. Ready to turn your web design dreams into reality and make a perfect career start? It's time to enroll in LearNowX front-end course and be a pro front-end developer. Learn the fundamentals of web design, from structuring content with HTML to creating stunning styles with CSS. Discover the secrets behind making websites look great on any device. Master JavaScript to add interactivity and functionality to your sites and make your web pages come to life. Master testing and debugging techniques to create flawless web applications. Dive into popular tools like React, Vue, and Bootstrap to supercharge your development process. And that's not all. Boost your skills with popular JavaScript libraries like React and Angular. By the end of this course, you'll even create and publish your very own Google Chrome extension. Our courses feature simple explanations and hands-on projects to make learning fun and effective. By enrolling, you will learn in-demand tech industry skills, gain hands-on experience through real-world projects, get guidance from industry experts, and receive guaranteed placement assistance. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to become a front-end developer with us. Join our course today and together we'll make the web a more beautiful place.